my 1983 parent. Oh, I'm sorry, Wendy. Today I am unboxing this 35th anniversary My Little Pony Rainbow Pony collection by Basic Fun, and they're scented. My Little Pony is celebrating 35 years of friendship and magical adventures with these authentic replicas from the 1980s. The Rainbow Ponies are loved and sought after for their sparkling cutie marks and rainbow-colored hair, making them the perfect addition to any collection for fans of all ages. And it includes 5 out of the 6 original Rainbow Ponies. So the set includes Starshine, which is vanilla scented, Moonstone, which is raspberry scented, Parasol, who is strawberry scented, Windy, who is cherry scented, and Sky Dancer, who is apricot scented. I do own the 6 original Rainbow Ponies from the 80s, so let's go get these guys out and we can compare them to the originals. Oh my goodness, look at how cute the background is. There's Glory and Spike, there's the 6 rainbow ponies, and there are some sea ponies in the water. And there's Twilight on the end. The sticker is wrapped in plastic, which I really like. It's nice and puffy. Even though this is a replica, this looks a lot like the 80s puffy stickers that I've seen. So this is really fun for me to be able to feel what they feel like. Here's the brush that comes with them. It looks just like the ones from the 80s. I'm going to start by cutting all of these off the back of their manes. Well, these are delightful. I really feel like I just got a taste of what it was like as a kid in the 80s opening a new My Little Pony. These are so fun. The colors are so vibrant. The glitter is so sparkly. Their hair is soft and shiny. There aren't any pen marks or plastic deterioration or scratched eyes or scratched marks. No discoloration on the hooves or mouth. And they have bows. Of course, the bows were done differently on these. I remember reading on My Little Wiki that these 2017 reproductions have like elastic banded ribbons to the tails, whereas the original 80s My Little Ponies did have just the actual ribbon tied onto the tail. So, fun fact. Another all-around difference between these 2017 repos and the original 80s My Little Ponies is that original My Little Ponies, their heads are not supposed to turn, but on these 2017 reproductions, they do intentionally turn. So this is Starshine. This is the original 1983 Starshine, and this is the 2017 scented Starshine, which actually smells very pleasant. I really feel like Basic Fun did a great job of capturing the essence of these ponies and giving them an authentic feel. And then this is Sky Dancer. And then here is Moonstone. The 2017 Moonstone is definitely gray, whereas the 80s Moonstone is definitely a light blue. I don't dislike the gray, but this is definitely the most stark difference between the originals and the repos. And then this is Windy. Here's Parasol, my 1983 Oh, I'm sorry, Windy. Anywho, yeah, my 1983 Parasol hasn't had her hair fixed since I got her, so woohoo! Out of this 2017 5-pack, Parasol is definitely my favorite. And then this is 1983 Sunlight. There is a 35th anniversary scented Sunlight, but she was sold separately from this 5-pack. I really love and am so impressed by these 5 35th anniversary ponies. I really hope to add 35th anniversary scented Sunlight to my personal collection someday. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a like. And leave me a comment, which of these 5 2017 scented rainbow ponies is your favorite? And make sure you're subscribed so we can be pony pals. Until next time, bye!